Hello students, now I am going to discuss about simple shapes and circle of unit 1 geometry of your math book. You can open your math book and go to page number 12. You can see that there are total 6 pictures in this page. First 3 triangle, quadrilateral and circle. You see these are closed. These shapes are closed. Okay, you see this is closed, this quadrilateral, this is triangle, this is closed. Okay, and these are closed curves. And you see this is open, this is not closed. This is a form of triangle but it is not closed. This is also not closed, it is open. This is also open. Okay, this is not closed. So these are closed curves and these are open curves. Okay, now which are simple closed curves? A closed curve which does not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. I will ask question on it. What is simple closed curve? So you have to answer in this way that a closed curve which does not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. Okay, you have to memorize this and you have to answer in the next session. And you see the curve which crosses itself is not a simple closed curve. Means দেখো আমি বাংলাতে বোঝাচ্ছি যে কার্ভগুলা নিজে নিজেকে ক্রস করবে সেগুলা সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ না, আর যেগুলা নিজে নিজেকে ক্লোজ করবে না সেগুলা সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। যেমন এগুলা যে ক্লোজড কার্ভের কথা বলেছি এগুলা কিন্তু তিনটাই সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। অল দিস আর সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। বাট ইউ সি ইন দিস পিকচার number D and number E, these shapes cross itself, means the curves are crossed itself. These are not simple closed curve. So you see here is a collection of closed curves except curve D and E. The remaining shapes are simple closed curve. Except D and E, D এবং E ছাড়া বাকি যতগুলো কার্ভ আছে যে A, B, C, F, G, H, I, J প্রত্যেকটাই সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। ওকে, এবং মনে রাখতে হবে সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ কোনটা, যে কার্ভগুলো নিজেকে ক্রস করে না ওইগুলো সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ, এবং যেগুলো ক্রস করে দিস আর নট সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। হেয়ার ডি অ্যান্ড ই আর নট সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ। ওকে, নাও you see there are 3 types of simple closed curve. Again we know simple closed curve. Okay, but we have to know that there are 3 types of simple closed curve. First one, some simple closed curves are made of line segment only. You already learned what is line segment, a part of a line only. Line segment means a part of a line, একটা লাইনের টুকরা, একে বলে লাইন সেগমেন্ট। ঠিক আছে, মানে একটা ছোট্ট একটা লাইনের একটা পার্ট অংশ। ঠিক আছে, সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভ মেড অফ লাইন সেগমেন্ট অনলি, যে সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভটা শুধুমাত্র লাইন সেগমেন্ট দিয়ে তৈরি, লাইন দিয়ে তৈরি, এটার মধ্যে কার্ভ লাইন থাকবে না। ঠিক আছে, অনলি লাইন সেগমেন্ট দিয়ে তৈরি, তাকে বলে মানে এগুলা কি আছে, সাম সিম্পল ক্লোজড কার্ভস আর মেড অফ লাইন সেগমেন্ট অনলি। দিস কার্ভস আর নোন এজ পলিগনস। দিস কার্ভস আর নোন এজ পলিগনস, যেমন triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, etc. are polygons. You see all these shapes, you see here all these shapes are made from only the line segment. Yes, the first one is triangle, this is the line segment formed by 3 line segment. Second one is quadrilateral, this is formed by 4 line segment only. Okay, all these shapes are formed by line segment only, these are called polygon. Okay, this is also a simple closed curve. Remember, these are also a simple closed curve, but these are called polygon because these are formed by only line segment. Second one, you see some simple closed curve are made by curved line only. For example, circle is an example of such closed curves. Some simple closed curves made by curved line only. There are another types of closed curve, simple closed curve, which type is circle. Okay, this type of closed curve are formed by curved line only curved line. Suppose here example will be number Z. This is a curved line and this is a simple closed curve, and this simple closed curve is formed by only the curved line. Okay, the example of this will be circle. And for the third number, some simple closed curves are made of both line segment and curved line. Few shapes are there, few simple closed curves are there. These are made of both line segment and curved line. You see, for example, we can say number J. This closed shape, you see, this simple closed curve is formed by curved line as well as line segment. Okay, so there are three types of simple closed curves. You see, example of first one, you have seen the examples of polygons. These are the examples of polygons. The point number 1. Next, point number 2, these are the examples of closed curves made of curved line only. These are the example of closed curves made from curved line only. And next, these are the closed curves made of line segment and curved line only. Okay, so I think you are clear. Now go to the exercise 2.1. The question is, identify the closed curves and open curves. Identify the closed curves and open curves. Just simple question. Which are open curves and which are closed curves? You have to identify and write in your copy separately. You have to show me by today. Okay. And another thing is that you have to draw all these things. You have to draw all these things, means I am giving only these polygons. These are the simple closed curves. You have to draw all these polygons, example of polygons you have to draw. Again, then you have to draw these examples of closed curves made by curved line, and then an example of closed curves made by line segment and curved line. Then you have to draw this exercise and have to answer. Okay, so thank you. You have to complete this by today, and I have to share by today evening itself. Okay, thank you.